Hello. My name is Lisa, and I want to welcome you to my channel. This channel is about internet marketing, entrepreneurship, and following your dream. So, I'm in the middle of a 30-day challenge. This is day 6 of the challenge where I am bringing you information on entrepreneurship and marketing your business online. So, I haven't been consistent in the past at producing videos, so bear with me. As my son said, I hold the camera too close to my face and I'm not doing it right. But anyway, I'm still going to do what I do, son. But aside from that, I just want today's message to be about success and how you can make a decision to be successful. And that's all you have to do. You make the decision, you stay committed, and you stay consistent, which is what I'm working on right now. That's why I've done this 30-day challenge for myself and for anyone who needs the information about entrepreneurship, internet marketing, and just following your dream. So I know just as well as anybody else that there will be roadblocks and failures along your way, but if you just stay committed and you just keep on reaching, you will reach the goals that you're trying to reach. So that is my message for today. I'm not going to be on long, but just want to remind you, if you haven't seen any videos of mine in the past, that I'm doing this 30-day series. And if you subscribe at the end of November, I will have a contest for my subscribers, and one person will win $100 just for being a subscriber. So subscribe, stick with me for tips and tools to market your business and follow your dreams so that you can achieve the things that you're trying to accomplish. Thank you. That's all I have for today. Bye-bye.